You know what I'm terrible at? I'm terrible at remembering to film intros and outros for my videos. So, 7 hours later, here's my intro. Hey guys, it's Maya here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam. But in today's video, we're going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. And no, I don't wear makeup every single day, but if I was wearing makeup, this is what I would do. It's simple, quick, easy to do, you know. And I try to use very affordable makeup products like drugstore. I don't think I had any high-end makeup products in here. And I'll leave everything that I use in the description bar down below so that y'all could check them out. Yeah, if you want to see how I got to this point 7 hours earlier, thank you for watching. So I used two primers. This one is the Master Prime by Maybelline. This is the Blue and Smooth. And then I also have the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. So I just put this on my T-zone and just a little bit on my cheeks. This goes on my cheeks too. And I just kind of mix them together. I like to bake my primers because I have really oily skin, so I'm using the black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Loose Powder, and I just put this all where I get oily. Which is basically my whole face. I promise I am not doing drugs, but next I move on to my eyebrows while this bakes. It just gives it a lot of enough time to suck up all of the oil. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Revlon Colourstay brow pencil in dark brown. And honestly guys, for my everyday makeup, I try to do the lightest fill for my brows. I just used the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Concealer. Honestly, this is the only concealer that I have right now. And I just put a little bit onto a brush to clean up my eyebrows. Just a little dot. And then I just kind of blend out the excess. I also like to use the RImmel London Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel. And this is just because my eyebrows are really thick and they tend to get really wild. Now it's time for foundation. So I bought this a couple days ago. This is gonna be the second time trying it. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Honestly, I don't know if I like this foundation or if I don't, but we're gonna try. So I'm just using a stippling brush. I don't know if I should use a brush or a sponge. I usually do my foundation with a stippling brush. So Okay, so this foundation has me looking hella orange. I don't know if it's only on camera, if it's in person too, but I look like a Opal. Okay, so time to like brighten this up a little bit. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match again, and this is really thick, so I just do like one swipe, and then I use one of these little sponges to blend it into like a triangle and let it sit for a little while. After blending that in, I go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I just put a little bit of the powder in like a little container, and I go in with like a brush, and I don't bake because I don't want to dry out my under eyes, especially for like a natural look. So I just place it ever so lightly, I know it looks crazy, but and then I just wipe it away. I use my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. I just put a little bit in like a little container, and I use that to wipe it away. Just kind of helps tone down the brightness, because the Sacha Buttercup setting powder could be just a little too bright sometimes. Do I still look like a Oompa Loompa? Yeah, but we're gonna fix that even more. Okay, so I don't have a really good contour product. I actually use a Sacha Cosmetics, what would this be, cream to powder foundation. Sad thing is, I don't know what is the name of it. I literally just have the what do you call this, the thing that you insert into, I just have this, right? So I just take a little bit of this on a brush, and then I blend it in. I blend it out. I don't blend it down, I blend it up and out. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all could see what I'm doing. Using a little bit of the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just gonna run this down my nose. Yeah. I actually don't set this with a colored like contour powder or anything, because I haven't found a color that works really well with this. So I use the black Opal Deluxe foundation powder once again, and a little kabuki brush, and I set my whole face. Okay, so next, this is like the easy steps. Mascara. I don't have like a really good drugstore mascara because I haven't bought mascara in a very long time. I usually just use whatever my Ipsy bag comes with. So this is the Eyeko London Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. Okay, so now it's time for highlights. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome, and as you can see, mine is like shattered, so I have to be really careful, but I'm basically just putting this on the high points of my cheekbones. And then for my inner corner highlight, just use like a smaller brush. I like to just run this right here and right here. That's it. Like, I can't do the whole way down thing. I also don't like this area to be like boom, just like really subtle. Then I use this, the Loreal Infallible Pure Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray to set everything in place. While that dries, my everyday makeup look, I usually just wear lip gloss. I like this Colourpop Fudg'd lip gloss. And this is what it looks like, yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments and let me know what you guys would like to see. If you all liked this video, like, just let's have a conversation down below. Tell me what kind of makeup looks you all want me to do, because I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do makeup content also. I posted on my Instagram asking you guys if you all would be interested, and a lot of persons were very supportive. So yeah, hopefully I could do makeup videos also once I film them and they turn out right. Well, nice enough. But yeah, that's all for now. Oh, by the way, if you don't follow me on my social media, all the links will be down below, so you could do that. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.